40-31. Steal by Kelly.
Parang kurto nila.
Bob, wala, Bob.
Kelly, bakit hindi mo ginawa yan kanina?
Again done.
Hey, 2 points. Hey, 2 points. Assist Kelly.
He told me like, I told him, I'm the one who got you. I'm gonna shoot you because they didn't know you.
Oh,
But I think I see you.
oh, thanks.
Yeah. 42-39.85 improve.
Bye. Bye. Galing yan eh, no? Sensor pala yan. AI yan. Alam mo, pwede rin yan. Bahay mo, kung limang naman. Si Charge mo na lagi ba? Hindi, lalagay mo yung
Assist by John. 42-35, 7-point lead. Time remaining 15 and 12 seconds. 7, 9. Good. This is good by Brian. And third quarter. Last quarter.
Ay, magkano po utang ko sa'yo? Kung sino yung manalo. Oh. Kung sino yung manalo, yung kalaban mo. Utang kasi ba, makakalimot din ako. Kaya, hinintayin niyo yung sino yung manalo sa next game. Sila eh. Ay, kahit talo pa yung isa, pwede pa rin. Wala na. Gurin ka pa, gurin. Hindi, ano na yung sabi. Ang bakit, Joey? Sino yung manalo dun?
May 10 minutes kami pahinga, ha?
Kayo yung kalaban. Sino yung manalo? Wala. Ah, sila ano? The next game will be sila ano? Kalaban na. Hop!
25 seconds.
Guys, you gonna help?
One for three. Open sub. Steal.
Bay, mo may. Wala na bay. Wala lagi sa atin. Surut. Dapat to extra.
Tyler Martino, good.
Salamat po. Aga mo na kaya nga nalit na ako. Tama yun, bay. Tama, pwede ko. Tama yung ginawa. Arwin. Akala ko nga, may tirape. Sabi ko. Hindi, may order naman eh. Order kasi. Hindi kasi na-isip na ano eh. mo naisip na kala mo mayroon pa daw. Ako nga eh. Kasi last year, kaya kanina mapayagan ako. Binigay sa akin. Stop. Ay, pero kung train. Stop. No, principal. Principal black footwear. Black footwear. Stop. Hindi ko pinapunta sila ng gusto ko mo ko. Hindi mo lang. Wala ko nag-pick na sa kuha. Red ball. Is that Tyler?
Yeah.
Salamat sa inyo.
Ayo.
Open kami 6 days. Sabay na ako. Ay, next season. 2:30 to 7. Guys, we need 12 points. Go! Pinagtula ka sa Monday sa church? Oo. Invite sa kuya ako. Next time na rin. 6 to 9 doon ba yun? Nag-invite si... Off! Go. There you go. Got it. Takbo. Go. Come on, guys. Hey, it's 50 now. 15. Dali. Nakasiguro ka. May. Tama sila. Come on. Keep it up.
Assist by Kamal.
Come on, keep it up.
3 minutes, 40 seconds.
Come on, stop now.
2 points.
Go!
Foul. What's foul?
Hey, time out. Time out. We still have 2 timeouts, right?
Yeah.
Time out.
Is that light right, fourth quarter? Yeah, fourth quarter.
Stay up, stay up. You still have the timeouts, right? Henry, no, if it gets more than 27, we have a chance. We have a chance or no? Of course. See, if we have 27 points,
No, look at your standing.
yeah, if we beat them at 27 points,
Look at your team gym is 2-0 then.
it's not gonna be close.
No.
Big close.
East and West. Pareho sa tawag ba? Yun ang malas yung kanina eh. Yun dun.
Sampu na lang.
Anong time, Joy?
1 minute. 10 seconds. 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Sinambakan kayo ba eh? Bay? Ano ba? Negative 27 ko mo.
Well, again, 27 points today. Not a chance.
No. Look at positive. Look at Kisay.
Score positive 27.
Kinalan mo kung ato kung kana yung gusto nga mahitabo. Kinalan mo score mulamang mo 35 points.
Ano naman?
Oh, plus 6 oh.
Hindi close man.
Plus 6 oh, plus 6.
Kuha bang mistake?
Sunod na tayo. Hindi, kung i-close din mo ba? Kung ikaw, i-close din mo. Plus 6, wala nga mo 35 points. Kaya nga, tambakan mo yung isa. Oh, asa mo daw? Oh, 27 niya, asa niya. Sila din. Unsam na sila. Kaya din mo labuto na sila. Oh, positive na sila. Positive mo. Positive 6. Yapon, kinala mo umuwi ng kung atong i-close. Kung i-close, wala lang yapon. You need to win 35 points.
54,
Kasi panalo na sila. Oo, yan. Straight na to eh. Suda to sa, pasok ko sila sa finals eh. 2 wins eh, 2 wins.
We're doing good. We're
Unfair naman eh, 2 wins sila niya. Kayo 1 win, pasok kayo sa finals. That's simple.
Kasi nasa 2 wins na pala sila, no?
Last game. No, yeah. After this,
No, but this we can...
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go now.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do it.
Simple man. Don't worry. When it's fun, I'm gonna give you another one.
Okay na kung 1-1. Kasi naman, luck na ginig.
Yeah, luck. na yan. Yan kanina sila. Nakuha na sila.
Kani sila, okay na sila kay 1-1.
1-1.
Manila ko may
Kasi madaog nila, full finals.
Right. Right out, right?
Tuturuan lang kita.
Okay.
Guys, something.
Bravo.
Lagi. Yeah. I got it.
Negatif dia pun.
Sila na yan,
Guys, this is the last game for the city team. Whoever wins this one goes to the final. Whoever wins this game goes to the final. Eagles and Easterly. First five. Yeah, but next one is finals. Oh. Asa?
Has to be by 6.
Then the important is the finals.
Yeah, we'll be alright. That's fine.
First five.
Dennis, you say you only by 6, right?
6, 6:15, latest.
Yeah, no, 1 point.
Well, after this game, you got the championship one in a row. Well, fast. And then we gotta lose one. I know you'll take that. I got you.
No, you need to win.
Let's go.
Oh, for 2
2 points. Okay.
Oh, still like this. It's for 2, like this. 4-0. Whoever wins goes to the finals. Whoever wins the team. This game. Number 6. What? 35? 50? Oh. High. First person behind. Oh,
Ay, dali.
Hindi naman yun. Serena.
No, stop.
10 minutes.
Clear ng NCAA yan, Division 1. Kasama nila, Sinul Bakuli yan. Kaya yung champion nung 19 kasama ni Coach Junel sa Kalio. Sila yung back, sila yung napasok. Isang games, laro ng isang games. Pero ngayon, SEA Games pala, SEA Games. player ka dati, hindi naman mag-alala.
Number by Chan.
Wala number 8 lang. Number 8.
Dito sa white.
Ayun. Dito kanina, sa black.
Sa black.
Push foul. Okay. Foul number 3. Sabrina. Sabrina versus Nampal.
Team foul na ba?
Kaya mo eh.
Sa kanila team foul.
Ano yun? May two fouls. Kasi may foul kanina.
Si number 8.
Pero hindi pasensya.
Six zero. You're going good. High for three. Assist by you. 9-2. Score is 9-2. 7-point lead by King Woods.
Ay! 13 foul na.
Push foul. Foul, winning the lead, first personal foul. First team foul, whole team.
Ano nakalima kaya niya? 7.
Sa whole first something.
Okay.
Wala tayong...
Oh, 9-4. 5-point lead by whole team. 5-point lead. Oh, whoever wins this game goes to the finals. Team James Tony, on the ball. For Tony. James. Well good, James. Rebound by James. Well four. Chris Tabiaga, Chris to Mike over three. Good. Rebound by
Kuya, white.
So who's foul? Who's foul?
There's no foul? No foul? No foul.
12-4.
Just...
Contact, Mike.
Technical, swap.
Sikat personal foul, yan. Sikat personal foul, high foul. 44, and 20 by Wu's team. Rudy, high. The fifth. 2 minutes. And remaining first quarter. No good. Rebound. 20. No good. 6-14, 8-point lead. One. Oh. Jason. Time remaining 44 seconds. First quarter. Ah, 15. Third personal ball, high. Third personal ball. Third personal ball, high foul. 27 seconds. 20 seconds. Time remaining 20 seconds.
Alright, next quarter. Let's go. Next 5.
Wala yung period sa.
Ha? Second quarter.
Oo, di na nakikita.
16 point lead by Wu's team. Ryan.
Just jump tight if you want it. Come inside, Joy.
Ryan for 3. No good. Rebound by Lincoln. Time remaining 9 minutes 30 seconds. Arvin, no good. Sereno, good for 2, good Sereno.
5 minutes, you need to stop. 5 minutes, okay?
Nasa yung
You need to stop. Yeah, 5 minutes.